You are watching FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to today's English learning video. Let's practice speaking clearly and confidently together. Do you freeze when someone asks you something in English? But if I told you that with 50 to 30 minutes a day for 7 days, you shall feel much more confident to speak. Follow this 7-day plan with me step by step. Day 1. Speak out loud. Make speaking out loud normal. Remove fear of your own voice. Step by step. Warm up. Lip trills. Humans say, "Hello, I'm practicing English 10 times." Read aloud. Pick a short news paragraph, children's story, or your own 50 to 20 sentences. Read slowly, then again faster. End with a short reflection. Say one sentence about your day for 1-2 minutes. Exact lines to record on camera. Hey, my name is. Today I'm practicing English out loud. Read today. I woke up early, had tea, and started learning English. Day 2. Learn 10 power sentences. Could you help me, please? Can I have this, please? Excuse me, where is the? I don't understand. Can you repeat? That sounds good to me. I am learning English. Please speak slowly. What does this word mean? I agree with you. Sorry, I did not catch that. Thank you, that was helpful. Step by step. Read each sentence aloud 5 times. Make a tiny role play for each ask and respond. Use them in a voice note to a friend or in a comment on a video. Day 3. Mirror practice and body language. Improve naturalness, face, gestures, facial expressions. Step by step. Stand in front of a mirror. Create the camera. Tell 2 to 3 minute story. Watch special expressions. Record and compare first and second take. Tips for body language. Keep shoulders relaxed. Use hands natural. Smile when appropriate. It helps voice. Day 4. Listen and shadow. Copy natural rhythms, address, and intonation. Step by step. Choose a short 30 to 90 second clip of a native speaker. Listen fully once. Day 5. Talk to a friend. Practice fluent back and forth speaking. Step by step. Arrange a 50 to 20 minute English chat with one friend or language buddy. Use power sentences. Day 4. Shadowing phrases. Topic suggestions. My day, my favorite food. Day 6. Record and self-review. Build awareness and self-correction skills. Step by step. Pick a 2-minute topic list. My hometown, my best memory. Write 6 bullet points. Record 1 continuous 2 minutes video. Re-record improved version. Day 7. Go public. Use English in real words. Celebrate progress. Step by step. Small goals. Order in English. Ask for price. Ask a direction. Start with one sentence. Use the power sentences. Could you help me, please? Smile people. Respond kindly. Reward yourself after success. Public places to try. How much is this? I would like a small tea, please. Excuse me. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't stop after one mistake, keep speaking. Avoid translating word for word from your language. Don't over perfect. Aim for communication, not perfection. Stop using fillers. Replace with short pauses. Daily short checklist. Warm up. Main practice. Real use. Record and review. Final lines. If you follow this plan for 7 days, even 50 minutes per day, you shall notice your confidence growing. Save this video, try day 1 now, and tell me in the comments which day helped you most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with a friend. Thank you.